Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back for my post-market wrap-up on this absolutely off the Richter scale volatile day. I have a lot I want to talk to you about. Let's start off with this. We had a market today that was in and out of positive territory, all day. At one time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up triple digits, went negative, back positive, back negative, back positive, negative, and then finished positive for the day. That's the truth. I'm not making that up. That's exactly how the market went. Completely out of control. And there's a few things that are driving it. I don't know if it's number one or number two, but I'll just say number one. This China trade deal, the story is changing minute by minute. And that's definitely throwing the market off balance. Okay, whatever. And the other thing that I find actually insulting, and so should you, is the charade once again being played on the middle class. Look, the middle class is literally being played like a grand piano. It's unfolding before people's eyeballs, and they don't even know what they're looking at. What the hell am I talking about? Well, good cop, bad cop is back again. You can't make it up. You can't do it. We have President Trump, good cop, saying, cut rates. Rates got to go down. Like you remember Larry Kudlow, was it just a few days ago? Cut rates immediately. Well, they're obviously on the same page. It's kind of scary, but that's okay. So good cop, President Trump. Bad cop, the Fed, who's not cutting rates immediately. Look, the end result is going to be a rate cut. Let me read something to you because I posted this earlier, and it's just so freaking true. It literally makes me want to puke. Here we go. This is what I wrote. This annoying good cop, bad cop joke between Trump and the Fed just has to stop. We know that a rate cut is coming, and the middle class has been so dumbed down already, they have no clue what it means anyway. So let's just do it. I don't give a damn. I'm going to make money either way. While the middle class continues to subsidize this damn stock market that used to be in a big, fat, ugly bubble. You remember that? Stock market was in a big, fat, ugly bubble because the Fed was suppressing rates. Now we got to suppress rates further so the big, fat, ugly bubble can get bigger because the middle class has got to subsidize the market. And crude oil, and energy companies, and Saudi Arabia. This is it. The American people's blood and guts are being used to grease the wheels of a terrible machine. And they don't even know it. Again, under President Obama, we forgot which bathrooms we were supposed to use. Remember that? Under this guy, we don't know which way is up or down. Clown show and new clown show. That's the truth. And people are too blind to see it. They just are. And that's okay. And that's the whole plan. They're too dumb to walk and chew gum at the same time. So why not fleece them for all it's worth? Let's just get it over with. Good cop, bad cop. Please spare us all, or at least those of us who have a couple of functioning brain cells, and just do it, because we know that's what's coming. It's the only thing supporting this market right now. Well, not really. We have corporations that have benefited greatly from the new tax plan, which are buying back shares of their own stock instead of hiring more people. That's part of the game here too. But we all understand that. But that's okay. Keep people divided. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's unbelievable. But that's where we're at, people. I know I'm making these silly faces, but this is the reality we're back into. It's a good cop. It's the bad cop. It's the good cop. It's the bad cop. Oh. Thanks for letting me get that off my chest, because I do feel a lot better now. But in all seriousness, the charade has got to stop. Just do it. Stop. Because, for the most part, well, hold on a minute. For the most part, yes, people are that dumb to believe there's really an argument there's really something else going on. Do you know? No. But obviously, we all understand, those of us that can think just a little bit, that every single world leader is in bed with their central bank. And that means the middle class is going to be systematically evaporated, just like they've been. The consumer's really strong. You know that, right? But there's an eviction crisis. You know about that. Oh, inflation's not here. Let me just say this. Yesterday, I just happened to venture. You better sit down for this one. I happened to venture into a genetic cesspool, also known as Walmart. Walmart is, in my view, a genetic cesspool. You can walk around that place and just see things that you won't believe actually are real. But I'm talking about people. It's beyond belief. So I'm sitting here walking through Walmart, and I'm on the checkout line here, and I'm noticing the price of candy. I don't know, like $1.89 for a Snickers bar, which used to be like that big, which is now that big. But there's no inflation. You know that. People, you can't make this shit up. It's impossible. It really is. But get used to it. And I can promise you that a rate cut is coming. So the good cop, bad cop, when you see that, actually this is what you should do. If you decide to watch any of the news outlets today, which I'm urging you to shut off, because their job is to keep you divided, make you angry, to not allow your brain to think outside the box. But if you happen to turn one on, bring a barf bag with you. And when you hear them talk about, the argument between President Trump, good cop, and Powell, bad cop, force yourself to vomit into the bag. You'll feel a lot better after that. All right, look, I'm going to let you go because I just can't take it anymore. I'll see you in the morning. Love you all. I really do. Hey, was this video important? Do people need to understand this or no? They won't anyway. You can show this probably to most people, and they're going to sit there going, what the hell is he even talking about? See you tomorrow.